how to use quick search feature in Samsung A54. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use the quick feature which is available in the Samsung A54 or other Samsung A series mobile devices. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on my Samsung A54 device. So what you need to do is to use the quick search feature. You simply have to press a long press on this middle icon over here, as you can see, middle button. So once this blue white theme appears on your screen, you just have to click on any, draw on any of the application or whatever interface or anything like this. So let's say I want to draw something on this here, and it will locate it like this, and it will give the information about whatever I touch. So it's giving me information about my location, and let's say I want to try on different things. For example, let's say I will click over here like this, and let's say I want to search about this. So when I draw something like this, it will automatically detect that it's Snapchat, exactly detect about what I'm talking about or what I'm drawing about like this. So let me just show you one last example. As you can see, it automatically detects everything which I touch or draw. So that is exactly how you can use quick search feature in Samsung to search quickly for whatever you like. And hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.